I love that picture of your bulk buying.
Yes. Oh, the dairy. I wouldn't mind. That was one of those accidental shots that accidentally kind of got to the publisher, and they accidentally sort of picked it to go in the book. And when I saw it, I was like, God, because I mean, honestly, it looked like I'd sort of pretty much been hoarding food.
Yes, it does look like there's no Yorkshire tea left in shops. I mean,
that's a staple, Graham. I mean, what do you need to see you through a long, hard Yorkshire winter? I mean, what do you need? You need potatoes, you need rice, you need pasta, you need Yorkshire tea bags, obviously, whiskey, wine, chocolate.
Yeah.
That's it. You can survive any storm.
The Graham Norton Radio Show with Waitrose.
Virgin Radio.
Well, I've got my little helper with me today. I've got Edith. And what are we doing today?
We're going gathering.
And what we getting? Yep, there's a bit more wool to get. So come on, let's get going.